Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is December 26th, 2019, and I want to give you an update on my lemon gum eucalyptus seedlings here. And you can see my seedling here is starting to get its true leaves on this one here. This one here already has one set of true leaves, and it's getting the next one right here. And they do have different leaves than the silver drop eucalyptus plant for sure. I'll show you what the silver drop eucalyptus plant looks like here real quick. Okay, this is the silver drop eucalyptus here, and you can see the leaves are completely different. These are more rounded here, and different shade of green, completely different growth pattern. So, really happy with how well they're growing, and because they're getting their true leaves now, it's time to start feeding them. Now, because I'm not going to be using this plant as, like, you don't want to take it internally or anything like that, I'm probably going to be feeding it with Miracle Gro all-purpose plant food. And I'll do 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water. Now, if you want to use an organic plant food on these, that's perfectly fine. I feed my other ones with the ecoscraps 555 all-purpose plant food, but you know, I think I'm just going to feed these with Miracle Gro. I haven't 100% decided yet, but I'll feed mine once a week with the Miracle Gro. And one thing you want to make sure of is that your soil is nice and moist before you feed your plants, so you don't burn the root systems on them. Now, I am still waiting for the other ones to germinate. I think I do have another one germinating. So I'm waiting to see, you know, if when I see the green on it when it comes up. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!